Hi guys, how we doing? Phil Kent here with another twice confirmed traffic update and review. And on this video, what we're going to be doing, I'm going to give you live proof or actual proof of how good is the support system that comes with the program. Because programs are all well and good, but you do need to be able to get a hold of the support. What is the support system like? How quickly do they respond? Is it any good? Because as you know, sometimes you can wait days to get a response. We're going to find out right now how good that is. Now, before we do, if you are new to this channel, please do hit that subscribe button for me and drop a like on the video because it does help out the channel. Okay, let's go. So what I did on the previous video, I did mention the fact that the social area, which is this area, the TCT live community, which is found up on this tab up here, I said that I doubted if it was still live. It's certainly not a live community. I don't know why they call it that. It's not a live community because you come down the page. If you come onto here, it says join the live community. It's not a live community because it's just not. And because when you come down and find the page, it's somebody on one of the pages. It's gone to a traffic shifter page. It's on the bottom of there. I'm just trying to find where it is on the bottom. Get the page to load. But anyway, what it does, it takes you down. Here we go. It says click here to interact on our live community. Right, it's definitely not a live community. It does take you to a page that looks like this. It looks like our social media feed, but it's generally the same ones. And at the moment, we've got about nine pages. Okay, now what I wanted to do, I wanted to find out if this community was still live, which I don't think it was. And I wanted to test out the support system because that's always paramount in any program. So what I basically did, I went to the help desk, I submitted a ticket yesterday, and I did get a response. So what we can see, if I jump into my emails here, ticket received, I basically asked the question regarding the community. I said I would like to, basically said, is this live community still active, or is it something that used to be there and has not been updated? I said because I've posted 2 comments, neither of which have appeared. And I said, secondly, I said some of the posts on there seem to be very old, referring to old programs that are no longer around, stuff like that. Now, I posted that, as you can see, 5:17 p.m. UK time yesterday, and you'll be pleased to know, actually, that I got a response on that almost exactly 4 hours after. So 4 hours after I put the ticket in, I did get that response. So to me, that is a very good support response. It shows that the support team there is active. It gives you a good response, and within 4 hours of submitting a ticket, anything that's within 24 hours is generally pretty good, and 4 hours is very good. So you can see the question I asked: is the live community still active? As the post or comments seem very old. I've made 2 recent posts and neither have appeared. Just wondering, as none of the posts appear to be of recent programs and things like that. So that's the question I put to the help desk, and they've said, hi Phil, thanks for reaching out. Our live community is still active, but we're currently in the process of moderating and updating content to ensure only relevant and high quality posts are displayed. This can sometimes mean there's a delay before new posts appear and some old posts remain visible until replaced with newer discussions. Your recent posts are in the queue for review and will be visible to other members once approved. We're also looking on an update to the community platform itself, which will make it easier for members to share and engage with fresh content. Appreciate your patience while we tidy things up, and thanks for contributing to the community. Okay, nice, good answer. Appreciate that. I mean, it's a nice direct answer. I mean, there's sort of 9 pages of these, so there's quite a lot of reviews from people. Some are just sort of standard posts saying, hey, I'm new here, welcome to the community, stuff like that. Other people have been sharing their successes, and there are, when you read through them, I read through most of the pages, there are people reporting some very good results with the program. Now, what you will find, especially, I'm not sure which order these come in, I assume these are the oldest. I don't know which way it works out, but when you do read through these comments, you do find some of them referring to programs such as DS Domination, that was about 10 years ago, and other ones that I know for a fact are not around anymore, which is why I raised the question. But other students say, hey, I've just joined, I went off to a good start, getting good leads, good sales. So there are some relevant comments in there, but it does need to be updated. There's certainly no way of engaging with people. There's certainly no way of getting live comments in. It's certainly not a live community. But we'll wait and see if it does actually get updated, because that's what it's saying it's going to do. So I will keep you posted on that one and let you know. But the support system is good. You get a good fast response, and that's the main thing. It just needs to be updated on this particular live community section, and they said they're in the process of updating it, so I will keep you posted on that and updated on it. So in the meantime, whatever you do, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers now.